Hi, this is Saint Jerome of Crypto Experiences bringing you yet another crypto experience, and I am excited. I'm excited today on January 24th, 2023. Wow, you guys were great. I picked up about 50 new subscribers yesterday, and my video went a little bit viral. We're over 1,300, almost 1,400 views, and if you count across all platforms, I'm on YouTube.com, I'm on BitChute.com, I'm on Rumble.com, and I have my own Patreon page. Is patreon.com/ Saint Jerome, just spelled like in the corner of the computer down there. So anyway, thank you very much. There was a winner of the contest, the 10,000 Satoshi contest, which I'll address in a second. On the background here, I am a ballet ambassador, and I thought I would explain a few things. I had somebody call me a scammer yesterday. I'm so upset. I'm not scamming anybody. Okay, anyway, look at the cards in the background there. I'll show you. These are ballet wallets. Now, I asked for somebody to the winner to send me their public address, and then I would send them the 10,000 satoshis. Well, your public address is what you want people to see, and then anybody can send you money. They can't take your money. How ask you? How can you scam somebody that way? But I guess they were new to crypto, and that's all they wanted to say. They wanted to troll a little bit. So anyway, there are three different Ballet wallets, and we see Bitcoin and Litecoin, and there's XRP underneath the bottom. Um, and on the outside is the public address, and that's what little person who is doubtful. That's what we want. We want to get our Satoshi sent there. So if you have a public address and you win a contest of mine, send me the public address. I'll send you your Satoshis you win. If you live in the continental United States and you would like a book, then I'm going to need your mailing address. We can hook up on comments about where to email me your address, and I just needed to send the book to you. But if you don't want the book, that's okay. So 10,000 satoshis this time, and I'll show you what that card looks like in just a second. So I can either send the 10,000 satoshis that the contest winner won in one of the a gift cards such as these. Now I was talking about Bitcoin. On the left, this is the front of a ballet gift card, and on the front it tells you how many parts of a Bitcoin it has. Well, you also notice there's Dogecoin and Ethereum and Filecoin and Litecoin. Those are only five I'm aware of right now. They may have made more. But when you turn the gift card around on the back, you have the public address and you have the private key underneath the sticker on there. So I'm going to show you an actual one here now, and this is the one I'll probably be sending if the person that won uh, wants me to send it in the gift card instead of just sending Satoshi to their whatever wallet. So the winner of the 10,000 Satoshis was Give Me Crypto. Give Me Crypto. If you'd please go back on the comments and acknowledge that we can hook up together and I can send you your Satoshis or send you this gift card. I will do that. So let me turn the gift card around. So here is the ballet gift card. It's disappearing. So the ballet gift card, oh, I guess my body, is for this one is for 10,000 Satoshis. It's the exact one I'm going to send if the person would like a gift card. And these are pretty neat because they come in different denominations, 10,000, 100,000, and I think a million Satoshis like that, or point 0.1. So it's like 0.0001, 0.001, and 0.01, I believe, are the denominations. Don't quote me on it. I make mistakes. Now, how does this work? On the back is the public key, and that's how I will load this wallet. I will send 10,000 Satoshis to the wallet. I may already have it on the wallet because I loaded them previously. Now, you can only load to what denomination it is. It says 10,000. Don't try to put 100,000 on it. It's not going to work. This is not a wallet. It's a gift card. Wallets have no limit to them, and they're very similar. Now, if you look over here, you pull back that sticker, and underneath the sticker is the private key. Now, that person who thought I was scamming, that you don't want to give away, or you'll get your funds stolen. So no. And you also have a passphrase, and you scratch that passphrase off, and you add it to the private key, and then you can send it. So this is mainly to give as a gift in store until someday you do want to cash out. Maybe one day that 10,000 Satoshis won't be worth $2.50, but it might be worth $2,500. Wouldn't that be cool? So sit back and enjoy and give me crypto. Thank you very much. I appreciate your winning. Now I'm going to extend to another Satoshi contest. If I get to 300 subscribers, and I'm over 100 now, so it's not that far away. If I get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to give away 100,000 Satoshis. And 100,000 Satoshis today is about 25 bucks or so. And if you live in continental United States, I'll also throw in a free copy of Bobby Seeley's book, The Promise of Bitcoin. So here is a mock-up of a Litecoin Ballet wallet. So on the outside, you can see there is the sticker for your public key, and that says wallet passphrase. And down the bottom corner of the sticker would be right down into there. Down in the right corner, that you peel, it shows you peel back the sticker. Underneath that is another QR code with part of your private key, and then you scratch off your passphrase and you add those two together, and you get the Ballet app. Then the Ballet app is fantastic app. It's functional. Then you can punch those two in your Ballet app. When you have a virtual card on your Ballet app of this exact card, and then you can send it to somebody just like you'd send from any other kind of wallet. So it's pretty neat, a pretty neat system. Highly recommend it, but not financial advice. So what's the advantage of this? It's cold storage, and once you have the money, the Bitcoin, the Litecoin, I shouldn't say money, on this code, it's off the web, and it can't be hacked. It can't. You could lose the Ballet wallet, but put away somewhere safe. And I talked about yesterday, you get the Pro Series, of which there's 3 exact copies of the wallet, and you can put them in 3 different places. So highly recommend on Ballet Wallet. The Ballet wallets I was showing you before were either gift cards or steel-based. This one is same function. This is a full wallet. There's no limit what you can put on it, and this one looks pretty. It is 24 karat gold plated. So I'm saying 24 karat, I'm not sure, but it's gold plated. Not solid gold, so it's not really worth for the gold content, but it is worth for the beauty content. And these sell for about $99. Again, the same thing, public address on the outside, private key underneath the sticker, and there's a wallet passphrase you have to add with the sticker on the inside in order to send your funds. Well, the scammer thought I was trying to rip somebody off, so I was here to educate you today that I am not. Anyway, and then I had somebody else come on and said I was a clown and I was only worth the comedic relief. I have no idea what he's talking about. Here I am, a graduate, as you can see by the hat I'm wearing. I am not trying to spread any FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. How can you call me comic relief after all? That is so insulting. Yeah, that's comic relief. I'd be in a nightclub, or I might be on Comedy Central or something. So I guess I got the last word on that, didn't I, today? But to be serious, folks, this video is just to congratulate the winner and say that I have a new contest with 300 subscribers for 100,000 Satoshis. And we'll keep going and giving prizes with new marks. I'd like to get to 1,000 eventually, at least, viewers. That'd be awful good. I will put something out a little bit later in the next couple of days with a little more meat on it. But I want to get this out real quick and just thank everybody. So thank you very much. New subscribers, please hit subscribe, hit like, and if you have any questions or anything about crypto, put in comments below, and I will try to get back to you. Thank you very much. Please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for a wonderful couple days.